Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can link our WhatsApp to a computer or laptop. Let's get to it. First of all, open your WhatsApp on your phone. Then if you want to link your WhatsApp to a computer or laptop, you can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of your screen. Then there will be several options for you, and click on linked device. Then click on link a device right here. Then click on use mobile data. Alright, and on your laptop or computer, you should open whatsapp.com. After that, you can scan the barcode that appear on your computer or laptop, and right after you scan the barcode, your WhatsApp will be linked to your computer or laptop. Alright guys, and that's the way we can link our WhatsApp to a computer or laptop. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.